Welcome back in my channels, everyone. Today I want to speak of features that no one take care a lot in Gemini and are the gems. Here you can see in the page that you can use these features to create custom expert that can help you in particular field or specific topic. There are already some pre-made from Google's that are, for example, the one you see in my previous video to create storybooks for children, coding partners, and coaching careers, as you can read in the article, but you can see in the Gemini app. How to access? You can access from this part called gems, and we'll go in the manager. As you can see, there are some pre-made, the experimental one, and the one not experimental like coding partner that help you to learn coding. Below you will have the option to create your own. I'm using these features, really useful, to create my strategies partner for my YouTube channels. As you can see here, I create 3 of them that help in different fields for my channels. One is for title and description. One is for improve the chapter creation and give a better words that are easy for SEO. And then there is the thumbnails creator. You will say, yeah, but you need to prompt a lot. Yes and no. When you create or you edit a gems, you will have the option to give instruction. You need to be really meticulous and precise in what you want to explain and what you want to obtain, what is your role, how you want the instruction, how everything needs to be ready. Take times to create, but once you have a really good custom AI for a specific topic, you won't need to give too much instruction. And on the bottom here you have the knowledge. Knowledge is ready links or source that the Gemini AI can use to work in your specific topic. In my case, I add some custom link, referral, affiliation that automatically add based on the question I create. But let's go for an example. This is the one to create titles and description. I create a prompt that if I don't write anything, automatically the AI will give me the input they need to create title, description for the topic I want to speak. So you can see with me that I will create a topic regarding this video. So Gemini, my specific custom Gemini AI will create 3 different type of titles with a good description as I create. And as you can see, there is the one that is SEO driven, one is curiosity clickbait, and the one is trend hybrid. So you can create as you want. This is my idea how I can use in the A/B test for title to see which one work better with users. And then I have also a second part that help the other AI to create thumbnails. So you can see how need to be, the format, the topic, how the design need to be, what text hook I need to have, and the vibe. And here then there's the video description, the tags, the SEO. But this is something everyone can create. It's not is special to me. As you can see here, it can be slow, but you can see I create that without input. I don't need to memorize what I need to ask. You see format, text hook, brand color, and so on, and then you are able to create your own assistant on YouTube or any topic you want. I hope this video helped you to create your own gems in your productivity and your learning. If you have any doubts or query, please pop a comment. I'm happy to guide you, and I found at the beginning quite difficult, but you will find that is really useful in the future, and you can have a lot of good result for specific topic. You don't need to explain too much on the Gemini app. Thank you for watching and share